Hi buddies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are good, safe and blessed abundantly. Welcome back to the subscribers, to everyone. Welcome back, and I hope that you'll enjoy this video. Before we go any further, please like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and please call everyone to just come and subscribe to this video. Yes, I'm doing a voiceover because the sound here was really not proper, so I decided to do a voiceover. Don't mind my brows, they are too pigmented, or should I say they are good. I just did a retouch, my 6 weeks retouch, microblading retouch at Moist Beauty. The video is gonna soon come up. So yeah, so today someone else is gonna be installing my wig, which is my sister. Please follow on Instagram. I'll link all her details below. It is Tuli underscore hair underscore royalty. So yeah, so we're just telling you guys what she's doing and how she does it, or what she actually told me to do when I install a wig, because this was kind of like a tutorial for me and also for you guys, obviously. Stay tuned and I'll see you on the next slide. So she used the got to be glued gel to lay my hair down or to be flat. Some people do hairlines. No, not hairlines, baby hairs. That's totally fine. You can do it however you feel it. So, and then she's also going to lay the wig with that same glue. So we'll just see the process, how she does it. And yeah, now she's just measuring actually where she needs to cut, or where my natural hair ends, and if the wig is fitting like properly. So now she's actually making the lace have the same color as me, if I can say it like that. You this step you can also use like your concealer, because at the end of the day, if you're gonna wear makeup, you are gonna highlight your face. So even a concealer is fine, or your foundation that you use. This is just to make the wig or the lace resemble actually your skin. So yeah, so she just measured it to see if it melts with my skin, or should she go just like a little bit forward onto the lace and to make it melt with my skin. So that's why she has been like moving it forward and putting the makeup again. Yeah. Then now she's going to be cutting the lace. She is not cutting it straight. If you see properly, she's cutting it sort of like a zigzag motion, because if you cut it straight, you're just gonna look like something else. So don't do that. Rather cut it in sections so that you will make the proper zigzag, just like she's doing. So after she is done cutting the lace, then she's just gonna apply the same glue on my forehead, the same length as my hairline, and just notice how she does it, because I usually used to do it with my finger, but I realized that when you do it with your finger, it just gets super messy because you're also using your finger to plug and everything, so it just gets super messy. So I think a comb is very much easier to use, and so for this part, you can use a hair dryer or anything that will just dry up the glue. Don't put the glue and then immediately put your wig on or stick it on. It will not work. Just use anything to dry the hair. After you apply, you put the wig on. If you feel like you need a lot more glue, then you can somewhere just put on glue. So now we're just laying the hair flat also with the foam. This foam you can get in Clicks. I will show you guys the picture now. You'll get in Clicks or any drugstore, you'll definitely find it. This step we're doing so that when we lay the hair or when we lay the glue, when we seal it, so that it doesn't interfere with the hair and the hair sticks into your skin, etc. So this just helps to just lay the hair backwards. You'll see after that we'll just put a strap so that we lay the hair so that we lay the wig or the hair so that it'll be flat and your glue will hold. So for this part, buddies, you can just use anything, even a duke will work, just so that you just lay the hair. Don't make it too tight or else you will definitely have a headache. After you tied it, your duke or whatever, just to lay, make sure that you also use a hair dryer or that dryer just to make it hard and just to make to dry it, all the areas that it didn't dry. After a few seconds or 5 minutes, when you feel like it's fine, then you can just untie the duke or whatever, then so that you see that it holds now and that it has like stuck properly. If you can see in this video, it has really stuck properly. Even if you can snatch my wig, honey, it will not go off. So now we're just preparing to make the baby hairs. So now it is definitely lined up. You will see the yellow, no, not the yellow, it's a white line actually. We will remove that one with a sanitizer. She told me that a sanitizer works properly. As you could see, buddies, that she used the neck sheen foam again to just make my the hair flat. I will say my hair because it is my hair. I mean, like, there is no lace there. That is my own hair. So she just to make it more manageable and flat. Then she used the straight comb also to just make it flat, and so that it will be more smoother, and also to just when you comb it, it will be just like it will slide properly and does not have any knots or anything for that matter. So we'll just section it in lines, and then she will comb as she sections everything out. What she's using now is a wax stick. I can't remember where she got it, but she said you don't necessarily need this. It's not a must for you to have that wax stick. So, but the wax sticks also, it just does the same thing as the foam. To just make it straight and to hold it, whatever style that you do, it will just like hold it there. Here's the sanitizer that I was talking about. So she just put it in a wig cap, then, or you can just also take a cloth and just wipe over the lace or over your skin where it is white. You will see that it's kind of much better now. And yeah, so now she is just making baby lines. What I've noticed actually with the baby lines is that you need to take out little hair. Like when you take out little hair, it goes like a long way. I used to take like hair that is a lot and it will look like something else, but you take little hair. Notice how she took it out and cut it, and also form those circular motions of a baby line. I still cannot master that. I still actually need more practice. Definitely. So notice, buddies, how she did the baby hairs with the foam. It's still the same foam that she used to lay the hair or flat to lay the hair flat. So I used to do my baby hairs with a gel. She said that it's actually advisable to use a foam because it just doesn't get like too sticky, because baby hairs should look real, and a foam you can easily lift it up. You will see what she did. I was also surprised. You can literally like lift it up after it has like stuck into your skin, but it doesn't like stick into your skin. It's just like laid properly onto your skin. You'll see how she lifts it up a little bit simply because she wants it to be more natural. So this step, buddies, you can do anything that you want. You can also make an arc on this one, or you can comb it back. like I did, use a hot comb because it works more better and you can style it more properly and it will stay, because it's like you're straightening the head to stay the way that it is. After this, we'll just put a holding spray. You will see the holding spray. You can also get the holding spray from any retail store or any drug store. You can style this however you want, because also this is a frontal wig, so it allows you to do any parting. We did a side parting simply because I love a parting, and she also suggested a side parting. So yeah, then you can just comb all the hair straight up or all side, like you make it now fine. This is the final product, this is the final step, and then after you're done, you are good to go. You are slicking, you are slaying, and you just are fabulous. But this is the part where she actually parts or makes the baby hair a little bit loose, not all of it, just a little bit loose, so that it will be more natural. You'll see, or as you go along during the day, you see that's very natural. You will also notice that we didn't lay our edges, or we didn't put a duke or something, simply because it's fine, right? So yeah, buddies, that is it from this video. Thank you so much for watching, for subscribing, and I hope that you really enjoyed it. And please tag me, tag me when you do when you lay your edges on any social media, and also just book your spot on Tuli_head_royalty on Instagram. All the details is there. Do you need wig construction? Everything is there. Thank you so much, buddies, for liking this video, subscribing. I'll see you guys on the next video.